FlyWP's Advanced Domain Manager makes it easy to manage all your domain settings in one place. You can set a primary domain, add redirects and aliases, and even enable wildcard subdomains. To add a new domain, from your dashboard, go to the Settings section in your site's configuration panel. Here, you'll see the current primary domain. Now click Add New Domain. In the pop-up window, enter the domain name. Choose the domain type. Here, primary is your main site address. Redirect is ideal for 301 or 302 redirects to the primary domain. Alias resolves directly to the site without redirection. Enable wildcard subdomain support to allow any subdomain to automatically resolve. Click Add Domain to complete. If the primary domain is not secured with SSL, consider adding an SSL certificate. Before validation, update your DNS records at your domain registrar to point to your server's IP. All domains you've added will appear in the Site Domains section. To update a domain, click the pencil icon beside it, modify the domain type or toggle wildcard support. Then click Update Domain. Changing a domain's role can impact SEO and how users access your site. Always test redirects and aliasing before pushing changes live. To remove a domain, click the trash icon, confirm the deletion. Once removed, the domain will no longer point to your site or server. That's a full overview of FlyWP's Advanced Domain Manager. From redirects to aliases, and from primary domains to wildcard subdomains, you're now equipped to manage domain traffic with confidence and precision. For more help or details, check out the FlyWP documentation.